Now we are going to draw an octagon 76 millimeter across flat. Now we know octagon is a polygon that is bounded by 8 equal parts, equal line, right? So now the first thing you do, like I said earlier, you take your compass and you draw your vertical line, a set square, and you place it here also. You draw your horizontal line. That again. So this is the center point here. So after you've done that, you are going to measure half of 76. If you measure half of 76, that will be, so you measure half of it. Let's see half of it. This is 0. Now this is 0 here. So this is 0, and you measure 76. You measure 76 from 0. From 0 to half of 76, which is 38. 38 is here, right? So that what we'll measure, and we'll place it at the center of this. And you draw your circle, right? 38 give us 76. So in doing that, now the next stage you do is, for octagon you work with what? Your 45-degree set square, right? So now let's start. You take your set square and ensure that your T-square is tangential to the edge of the board, like I showed in my earlier video, and you move it to the edge here to ensure that it is touching the edge, right? To ensure it's touching the edge here. That again. So and you draw this. All good? Should be tangential, should not cut through, just touching through the side of the edge like this. Like this. You can see, just touching through. So that is 1. So go back. So after you've done that, you move it to the other aspect to up here. So you apply the same thing. You should just be touching through. That's the edge. Then you turn it also the other way around, and you move it. And you move it to the other part too. Tangential. You can see that all the aspects are what? Tangential to it. And the next thing you need to do, you need to stand your set square to the aspect of 90 degrees. When it's standing like this, 90 degrees, and also take it to touch the tangential part of it also. So in doing that, you draw your line to touch these two. The reason I'm thickening my line because I know that I'll stop at this point here. Like I'm thickening the line. Now I'll move it to the other aspect too. I'll do the same thing. I'll draw my line from here. Right? Now after using this man, I'll go to my T-square. I will move it and slide it until it touches the edge, second side of the circle, where I can use my pencil and connect this end point to the other end point here. I'll move it also to this point too. I will replicate the same thing. So I'll connect here to here. Is that working? Now I'll do the rest side also. So from here to here, I'll connect it Always gauge your pencil. Two. That is one. Come here also. Do the same thing. You make it very visible. Another one. And you come here to do the same thing. Right? And you come here too, you do the same thing too. So that is an octagon having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now the next thing we'll be drawing now will be octagon across corner. This is across flat because each of the flat sides are touching the circumference of the circle. So let's check the other one and see how it goes.